Hello everyone, welcome to my channels. So today in this video we are going to find out the shortcut trick how to find out the LCM. LCM means least common multiples. But if we follow the basic method, traditional method, then you have to find out the factors of all the given number, and then we have to take the common and then product of all the factors, then we will get the LCM, right? So it will take a long time. But in order to save your time, I will show you a trick so that you can easily save your time and you will get the accurate results. The trick is that these are the 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers given to you, and they're asked to find out the LCM from these 4 numbers. So trick is that from these 4 numbers, first you have to find out the highest number among all these numbers. So 4, 5, 20 and 40. So 40 is the highest among all the numbers. Now check whether this 40 is divisible by these numbers or not. Yes, 40 is divisible by 4, so you can just cancel it. 40 is divisible by 5. In the table of 5, 40 is there. In the table of 20, 40 is there definitely. So the LCM is simple, nothing but this number. This is the highest number, 40. So this is the answer. Now let's take number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 numbers is here given to you. Similar rule. From this here, you have to find out the highest number. So that is 20. I guess yes, 20 is the highest number. Now let us check whether this 20 is divisible by 2 or not. 20 divisible by 2, yes. 20 divisible by 5, yes. Now check this is the number 15. In the table of 15, 20 is not there. Now what you have to do, you have to check the next number which is there in the table 20. So 20, the next number is 40. Now check, 40 is divisible by 15? No. The next number which is there in the table 20, that is 60. So do the 60 is divisible by 15? Yes, 60 is divisible by 15. So the answer will be 60. LCM will be 60. Now the third case, there is only 3 numbers is given to you. Out of these 3 numbers, 14 is the highest number. Now check whether this 14 is divisible by 7 or not. Yes, 7. In the table of 7, 14 is there. Now 13 is not divisible by this number. But there is one thing you have to remember. If this is a prime number, as you know that 13 is a prime number, then in order to find the LCM, what you have to do, this one multiply by 14. You will get 13 multiplied by 14, 182. So this is the number. This is the case, different case. If it is prime number, then only this rule will apply. Now check the number 4. Out of 3 numbers, 16 is the highest. Yes, 8 2s are 16, but the 11 is a prime number. So the rule is LCM is 11 into 16. What will get 11 into 16? 176 is the LCM. 176 is the LCM. Now check this one. 24 is the highest among all this number. Yes, it is divisible. In the table of 6, 24 is there. In the table of 8, 24 is there. So LCM is nothing but this 24. Is it clear? Now check the last one, that is number 6. Out of these 4 numbers, 50 is the greatest. 50 is the greatest. So 50 divided by 10, okay, it is divisible. 50 divided by 25, yes, it is divisible, but 50 is not divisible by 40. Then you have to find out the next number which is there in the table, 50. Next number, what is that? 100. So 100 is not divisible by 40, right? Then what is 150? 150 is also not divisible by 40. The next number is 200. Yes, 200 is divisible by 40. So LCM would be 200. So this is a shortcut trick. You can easily find out the LCM without doing the basic method, without finding the prime factorization. So I think with this you can save your time, as well as you will get the answer very accurately. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.